the ratio of velocity of an electron in ground state in Bohr first orbit of hydrogen atom to velocity of light in air is. Now we have to actually calculate the value of velocity in Bohr first orbit, right? So basically this is our, suppose that this is our Bohr model, and if I am following the Bohr model, this is the Bohr orbit. So suppose there is a electron, and if this is equal to first orbit, so this will be n equal to 1 only. We know that Bohr postulation says mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So basically angular momentum, right? Angular momentum is quantized, right? We know that, and we know that there will be electric force because this is electron negatively charged particle. So there will be F electric. Because of this force, this particle will revolve around the nucleus, and nucleus is of hydrogen, so it will also have the charge E, but positive charge, right? So basically Fe will be equal to Fc, and if I want to solve this will be K into, so we know that F electric is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. So if this is radius R, then I can write K into E divided by R square will be is equal to mv square upon R. This is the actually centripetal force. We know that the formula for centripetal force. Yes. Now this R is R cancelled out. We can write m into v square into R is equal to K E square. Right. This is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2 we have. So now what we can do, divide equation number 1 from equation number 2. So divide equation number 1 by equation number 2. So if I do that, I get mvr upon mv square upon R is equal to nh upon 2 pi divided by K E square. Perfect. So you see mr and m and r is cancelled out. This v will cancel out this one. So 1 upon we get nh upon 2 pi K E square we get finally, and from there I can write that if you take reciprocal of that, then 2 pi K E square upon nh, right? As we know, the value of K is nothing else 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So I can substitute the value of K in our equation. So V is going to be 2 pi upon nh into K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into E square. Perfect. So this 4 pi and 2 pi is cancelled out. So V is going to be E square divided by 2 epsilon naught nh. So finally we got the value of V. Okay. So now we want to get the answer. They are asking the ratio of speed of an electron in ground state. So this is the speed of the electron in ground state. So that means in ground state n will be is equal to 1 only. So if I put, we get the value of V1 is equal to E square upon 2 epsilon naught into H. Perfect. So now they are asking the ratio of V1 and with C. So simply the ratio is going to be, let me write it down here. So desired ratio is equal to V1 upon C. Value of V1 is going to be E square upon 2 pi epsilon naught into H divided by C, which can be written as E square upon 2 pi epsilon naught into HC. Okay, this is our desired ratio. So let us check which option is giving the answer. So if I see the first option, E square upon 2 epsilon naught into pi, let me correct it. There is no pi. I made this mistake. This is not a pi here. You can see V1 is E square upon 2 epsilon naught into H. So 2 epsilon naught into H into C. So yes, option number 1 has to give us the right choice. Okay.